At Amphenol Industrial Operations, we engineer connections that power industries worldwide. Welcome to our Shenzhen, China facility, a key manufacturing hub for high-performance interconnect solutions, supporting alternative energy, electric vehicles, energy storage, heavy equipment, and AI servers.
Shenzhen is a key manufacturing center for Amphenol Industrial Operations, specializing in high-volume production and precision engineering for global markets.
Our Shenzhen facility combines engineering expertise with advanced manufacturing to produce innovative interconnect solutions. With a focus on precision stamping, high-voltage cable harnesses, and integrated connection systems, we set the standard for high-performance connectivity.
Our engineering expertise allows us to drive cutting-edge interconnect solutions tailored to emerging industrial needs, from energy storage to AI-driven technologies.
We manufacture high-volume PV connectors, cable assemblies, and integrated solutions for leading global brands. From renewable energy to heavy-duty industrial applications, our products deliver performance, durability, and reliability. With state-of-the-art assembly lines and rigorous testing procedures, we ensure our connectors and cable solutions exceed industry standards. Our MES tracking system enhances quality control, meeting the highest automotive and industrial requirements.
We utilize the automatic manufacturing, precision stamping, and mass packing to ensure consistent, efficient, and quality in every product we produce.
As part of Amphenol Industrial Operations, our Shenzhen facility leads in sustainable manufacturing and innovation. From energy-efficient production methods to breakthrough electrification solutions, we shape the future of industrial connectivity.
Sustainability is a core value at our Shenzhen facility. We integrate eco-friendly processes, energy-efficient manufacturing, and responsible waste management to reduce our environmental impact.
It's not just our technology that powers industries, it's our people. Their expertise, precision, and dedication drive Amphenol Industrial Operations forward. Together, we build connections that power the future.